Oh, my ring fell off.
Hey guys, your favorite girl Alicia handles it, and I'm back with another video. I'm here to give y'all a snack today on how to curl your short, edgy pixie cut. All right, this is just a little visual. What's going on right here? I had wrapped her, put her under the dryer, and we're gonna put some curls in her. We're gonna use two different size flat irons. We're gonna use some setting spray, and we're also going to use oil sheen with a little gloss. Okay, and we're going to give this a little oomph. So you guys stick around, pay attention, share this video if you like, and don't forget to like the video also. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not. If you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is mostly hair, unboxing, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and I will love on you over here. Now, these are the products that I'm using, and I will start to curl this baby. So you guys just stick around and watch. Remember to leave a like again, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So now that these curls are in, and if you were to keep these curls in, they would actually last you for probably a week. If you use too much set-in spray or hold-in spray like spritz or something, it might not last that long. But if you curl this baby and, with just a little hold-in spray and some gloss, and make sure those curls are nice and tight. Well, not tight, but you put a good grip on your iron and make sure that it's really curled, even if it's not all the way curled, because as you guys can see right here, it's just like back in the day, they used to call it banana curl. So I banana curled some of it in the top towards the front, and I curled the back. So if you guys have any questions about this style, you are welcome to leave it in the comment section. I also have membership for $5 a month, guys. So run it up. And also, we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for everyone that has been watching, leaving comments. To the new subscribers, to the ones that's been here for a while now, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it all. And hopefully I'll be having, more content very soon. Next video, actually, though, I'm gonna do a finger wave class tutorial type thing. Finger wave 101, I'm gonna call it, because what I have been seeing on TikTok and YouTube, the babies need help. So I'm going to do a little tutorial about that. So you guys stick around and look out for that. That should be next. All right. Oh, it's been so busy, so I haven't been recording everything, but I am trying my best to give you all the content and all the tutorials, how-tos, and, gems that I can give you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching once again. And if you watched up until this point, leave an E for effort in the comments. I would really appreciate it. It would get me out there in the algorithms, guys. Don't y'all want me to be YouTube famous? Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. Mwah.